What's up, guys? Alright, I'm just gonna jump right into it because I don't have any funny stories or anecdotes to tell you before I start this. Alright, the first video this week is by this really weird guy who calls himself Leathertree11. And his video comes in at 22 views this week. So it's really blowing up on YouTube. It's about him and his buddy Jay or something like that, and they're like on this mythical quest to cross the living room or something. We've been planning for a long time now, and it's going to be, starting at the door, and we had to cross all the way to the other door at the other end of the living room.
Oh my god.
Now, I have to admit, this video is kind of weird, but, I mean, it's hilarious the way that they cross the room later in the video. The only thing that really, puzzles me about it is that the intro is, 7 different clips of different things, and it takes about 2 minutes to get through. Now, regardless of all that weirdness in the intro, the actual video, the interview that they do, with all these different people, and then there's the actual cross in the room scene, that stuff is pretty funny, alright? I have to admit.
I feel like, just because he's better looking doesn't mean that. Oh, I didn't mean that offensively.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, it's something like that no man does that much.
Yeah.
As much as people ask me to rip on these guys, I really can't do that, because shout out, dude, that was awesome. Alright, second video. Now, this is a music video. I don't usually review music videos, but you guys have been sending me requests to cover this, so I'm finally going to do it. So here it is. It's about these two guys here, and they do a music video, and they could do any song they wanted, and they choose the worst one.
It's Friday, cooking down on Friday.
Now, I gotta give them props. They did do a decent video, and I mean, it came in at 180 views, and so that's good for them. But seriously, guys, out of all the songs you guys could have done, you wanted to go and do Friday by Rebecca Black? You know, Rebecca Black, that girl who got famous off doing, terrible music videos. Whoever takes a song as bad as Friday and covers it on YouTube, honestly, their days on being, even popular on YouTube are numbered, But I'll be honest, they sang a lot better than Rebecca Black did. Losers! I'm sorry, I was coughing. Alright, guys, big video this week, coming in at 303 views. And it's about this random guy, and he has hiccups? And basically what he's doing is, taking all these methods off the internet and, using them to try to get rid of his hiccups. And it says, take a spoon and fill it with sugar. Hold the spoon in your mouth for 5 seconds. Then he actually tries the methods and, hiccups within the middle of them, so they're not really working for him. Now I've watched this video over and over again to try to find what's up with his hiccups, man. They sound so weird. Working. Yeah, you might be right. I mean, I think honestly that he's trolling. No one hiccups that way. He hiccups like a freak. I was hiccuping like a freak before it became mainstream. But you know who doesn't hiccup like a freak? The common question today was coming from his name, Bing, and he said,
Hey Adam, my common question today is, why are you talking so loud?
So you heard him, guys. Why am I talking so loud? So leave your creative or interesting comments in the comment section below. Or on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. Alright everyone, thanks for watching this episode of Equals 3. I'm Adam Pace, and I approve this message. So tell me, Forum, what did you stick on my butt?
Stalking your mom, 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 stalking your mom. Yo, I've been stalking your mom for like 2 years straight.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the spoof. Leave comments below on what I should spoof next, and if you want to, answer the comment question of the day. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but if you want to, you can. But leave comments below on what I should spoof next. See you guys later. Why am I talking so loud?